This is an optional build step. I purchased an RGB fan to replace the regular case exhaust fan. Removing the exhaust fan requires removing 4 screws from the back of the case and disconnecting the fan power cable. The replacement fan has the RGB lighting built into the white plastic shroud that surrounds the fan. It slides into the back of the case. Once positioned, it attaches with 4 screws to the case. This fan provides no performance benefits. It is strictly for the lighting effects. The power cable to the fan is routed through the channel that is provided on the back of the NZXT case and tied down with the Velcro straps for a neat cable management. The cable is connected to the case fan power cable. The next video is installing the motherboard into the case.